Hands on your back right now. Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your fucking back. You're under arrest. Put them behind your back now.
Hands on your back. Hands behind your back. Do anything stupid, he's either going to tase you or my dog's going to bite you. It's just nice and simple. They're handled. Thank you. Very good.
August 5th, 2024. DuPage County, Illinois. 2 unrelated incidents. 1 parking lot. 17 minutes of Bodycam that covers more legal ground than most single-scene footage does. A retail theft arrest pulling in 2 suspects caught on store surveillance. And a Facebook Marketplace deal that ended with a knife display and a self-defense question that Illinois law does not answer simply.
You got anything on you that's going to stick me, stab me, poke me, anything like that?
Yeah, we're good. Thank you.
No problem. Probably gonna have to wait. Probably have to wait.
No way.
Yeah, he's there. Female car?
Huh?
The female?
No.
This is from earlier if you don't have it.
Okay, I don't have it. I know who he is, though.
Oh, yeah. He's wearing the same shit.
No, not when he fled from me before. But he is Daniel.
Which side do you want?
Right side. Yeah, we're good. You can show one in custody.
The target guy's got a better copy than if you want. You know, they could do it. The link?
Yeah, I'm gonna need the videos from earlier and from this one. Thank you.
Hey, did you, how did you get onto this car? LPR hit? Oh, go ahead.
He had done this before and fled from me, but I couldn't prove it because they never had it recorded. Yes, sir.
Alright, so, from the information I got earlier, that guy was with the female. Okay? She came walking over and she wants to know all about what's going on over here to the point where she came out over here.
That's probably
okay? Right. So I'm talking to Officer Perkins, who was working this case. He says he's got a picture of her, and he gave me a description of what her hair. She's wearing different clothes.
Yeah, I've got the picture. I can see the blonde now.
Is that her?
Yeah,
no, hold on a second. Not yet. Would you text it to me?
Russian caller saying that
Hold on a second.
they're for market.
How did you send it to me? Text?
Place meet up and
To this phone?
I took his money, followed him to this parking lot, trying to get a vehicle description.
I haven't got anything yet. I haven't got anything yet.
Do you have your phone?
No, I ran out of the PD. I don't have mine. Yeah, it's not coming through for some reason.
Caller should be in a blue Mercedes.
You know what? Krupp's up here.
Alright, which unit heading out to the Blue Mercedes?
Do you have a picture of the other offender?
Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm listening to the robbery that just happened here. I got him in my car. I can't go. Victor 1, the male on the phone, is walking towards them now.
What's with the Acadia?
This was allegedly a robbery or some shit. So I'm gonna go grab him real quick. Hey, come here.
Yeah.
Are you the person who called?
I called you the police. Yes, my personal call.
All right. That officer's gonna come talk to you. Okay, we're handling another matter right now. So just give us a second.
Put your head. Don't make me use force to do something that you don't want me to, okay?
I'm not.
You're under arrest. I just told you right now you're under arrest for retail theft.
I didn't do anything.
Okay.
What are you talking about?
Stop moving.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, that ain't you?
It's 100%.
That ain't you?
No,
It's
not.
That's
100%
100% you right there. That's a picture from this target, okay?
Lincoln 65. Talking about.
So, Mr. 2 up here on North Avenue, Lombard, Tower 7. Hang tight while I get things sorted out here.
Okay.
350. Is this guy staying in the... Can't pull a knife on?
That's not me.
It's you. It's 100% you.
Are we still closed on channel? Like what?
No, I don't. We might be. I had the guy Dan's talking to. This way. Victor 3 from 1. Can you unlock your car? Victor 1, we have another female in custody reference the first target incident.
I need my stuff in that car.
Okay, that's good.
Can I get my things?
No, you can't get anything right now. You're under arrest.
I need my things in that
Okay.
car.
Well, you're not getting them right this second. I'm a little busy if you can't see that.
I need my items from that car.
Okay. I'm not going to tell you again. You're wasting your breath. It's not happening right now. You are under arrest. I will get to it when I get to it. Right now, I'm not going to get to it. Does that car have a cage? Yeah. I need 87, but I need to put her in this car. I have somebody.
Where's the other guy?
He's in my car.
He's in your car.
Yeah. Have a seat.
I need my
Yeah,
things.
get in the car. Put your foot in the car. Holy fuck.
Secure. Told you it was there.
I couldn't see from the distance. She was hiding the blind streets.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, it's the window over there.
What the fuck is this doing?
Dude, this is a Facebook marketplace transaction. They thought they were being blocked in by the guy because the guy was bitching about whatever the sale was. So the driver pulled the fucking knife out. What's up?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you're good.
Cool. Yeah, it's all good. Thank you. So yeah, he 100% pulled knife, but he also thought he was being trapped by
Yeah,
the guy.
that's reasonable.
So, but that's mass people, so I gotta wait for mass to fucking talk. Thank you. There's no cars to put it. Yeah, it's what happens when you have limited resources.
I'll wait for Matt to talk.
Yeah, whenever he's done. I can switch out with him. I can hit the video or whatever, but. Just gotta take the direction about it. What's Franco? She's looking too, right?
Yeah, she's processing the dude.
She's still processing. She got the Domino's guy. Okay. So she's still processing. Well, dude, I'm gonna call him. Yeah. Figure out. Yeah, if you don't mind, that'd be great.
Billy and Wilson.
Good. Put you back to you.
Thank you.
Like you're one around from Hagen North.
Victor 2 from Victor 30.
Refill.
What's your status on the booking process?
I'm just finishing up and wrapping up.
All right, Chunka. So hopefully you should get rid of it. Target's the place to be, right? Apparently. Yes.
Okay, Jeffrey, just to confirm, you want to pull down the retail theft ticket or the night ticket?
Pull mine first and then yours.
Yeah, I'm not sure. So the guy, you have to pull one for the retail theft and then a separate one for the life insurance.
Exactly. 1498, 1498. And the case for the night is going to be 45.
That doesn't make any sense.
So $14.99 would make no sense.
Yeah.
Whatever. All right, let's do this. With
the Villa Park number is 1499, 1499.
Let's start doing this. Let's start cleaning up these aisles. I know we got people in custody. I will hang out. You have someone in custody in your car?
I have his female.
And you have someone in custody of your car?
Yes.
Put both those cars next to each other, one in front of each other, over there. I will sit with them and watch them while you guys tidy stuff up.
All right.
And then let's
What language do you speak?
Original language Russian.
Russian. That's not close enough. Unless you speak Polish or no?
No, this is different.
Yeah, I know it's different. I know. But it's not Russian. Speak Polish. That's what I'm asking. Okay, so I can't help you with him.
On the arrest, the officer threatened a taser and a police dog simultaneously to gain compliance. Under Graham versus Connor, 1989, threatened force must be objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective on the scene. It was. What is not visible is a Miranda advisement. The Fifth Amendment and Illinois procedure both require that warning before custodial questioning. The clock starts at formal arrest, not at booking. That gap matters. The second suspect was identified by surveillance photo. She had changed clothes. Maryland versus Pringle. 2003 probable cause attaches to individuals closely associated with the offense when the nexus is clear. The store photo and her presence establish that nexus. The knife case is where the analysis gets serious. Frank the van driver speaks Russian. The officer tried Polish as a substitute. Polish is a different language. That does not satisfy Title VI of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. Title VI requires law enforcement receiving federal funding to provide meaningful language access for limited English proficiency individuals. A substitute language the subject does not understand fails that standard. Every statement Frank made in that interview carries suppression risk.
So, let me ask you this. When he pulled the knife, were you blocking him in, preventing him from leaving?
Just
You said you moved around your
this
vehicle.
is small. This is small parking lot, and I have big car. I try U-turn for open place and go away. Just when he opened knife, I go away.
Right. But then what happened? Because then he left, and then you followed him here?
My car stay on entrance, and I try go away, change place for
But then he leaves,
3x,
and then you follow him.
and call to police.
Right.
Yes. For
Where does that happen?
Where did this occur? Where did this transaction happen?
where?
Yeah, where?
To police station in Lombard.
No. Where did you meet up with him to do the exchange?
Yeah.
Yes, I understood. On police.
In Lombard police?
Police spot. Yeah.
So you met at the police. You met at the police station,
Police.
and then he pulled the knife there.
At the police
And then you followed
station?
him here?
Sorry guys. I buy this computer 1 week ago.
Okay.
Yes, and we have a second meet today.
Where was the second meet?
Second meet, right?
Today. Where was that at?
Today, second meet. And first time we have meet at the police department spot.
Okay.
The first time.
And yes, and now second he sent me a link to this place.
The address.
To this place, Lincoln Park,
In Lombard.
Lombard.
So Lombard
No,
Lagoon.
where
The park on the lagoon?
This is Mark Park.
Hold on, they're all here.
I'm like, hold on a second, they're here. I hate to be the bearer of bad news.
Like just shake it, like.
This is not ours no more.
No, I'm moving to your car.
Theirs.
Oh,
He's got my handcuffs.
I don't know. There's a lot of people in handcuffs right now.
I'm getting video and I'm confused. I just hear it.
Yeah, because it's like three things happening at once. My car got crashed into.
I saw it right before I pulled in that she must have hit you.
She said she got freaked out when we went to stop the guy because she thought he was coming towards her. She freaked out, backed up, and she backed up.
She like floors it?
Yeah, I'm just like, fuck. All right, so
Lombard Lagoon.
Well, so this guy's the passenger. He says that the whole transaction started over there, and this guy was trying to box them in. Some argument over money, previous transaction. He's like, then they end up here. He says, what about our weapons? He says, I didn't see no weapons. I heard this guy talking about a knife, so he must admit he pulled out a knife.
So basically, this is the second time they meet up. Apparently, the initial meetup was at the Lombard Police Department.
Like from a previous transaction?
This transaction, but I don't know if something was wrong with it. Long story short, this is the second time he's purchasing or selling whatever. These two are doing a transaction for the second time. This time, he sent him a link to the Lombard Lagoon to meet there.
Okay.
The way he's describing it is obviously with that big Sprinter van, he goes, I go into a small parking lot, so it might have looked like I'm blocking him, but I was going back and forth to pull out, to get out. Then he keeps it, then as soon as he basically says when he pulled the knife out, he just managed to get out, move out of their way. He's like, yeah, it would appear that maybe I was blocking him because I was just trying to move the van out of the way. And that's when he started following here.
So he said pull a knife on him over there at the lagoon.
Yeah.
At the lagoon.
Did they take money from him?
No. He said he doesn't even want to arrest him. He said he wants to figure out either to return it or to get his money.
It also sounds like towards the end that he wants nothing done but like try to figure out a way to get his money or property back.
Yeah,
so,
this is all.
Yeah.
This is all BS. I think this is BS. So he's got a call. He opened his phone for me. He called 911 at 7:51. This guy called at 7:53. 7:53. Yeah, 7:53. 2 minutes after this guy called, because he's trying to get away from this guy. He's on the phone with the 911 dispatcher, sees the lights in here, and that's why he pulled in here, was because he was trying to get to police, because this guy is
one's trying to get away
boxed him in, demanding his money back. So the story is taking a little twist here. His story about him blocking him in is exactly what he's saying.
The blocking him in part, what I got out of him is he was saying that he was trying to navigate the big van through a small parking lot. So it might have, it was going back and forth trying to get the van out. I'm like, yeah, well, it's feasible, but not.
Well, he wouldn't let him out, which is why he presented a knife. He's like, I'm terrified. This guy will not let me out. And he's way bigger than I am. So I showed him the knife. He said he was in his car, door was closed, window was down. So it's not like he got out and tried to tag him. I showed him, I got a knife, let me out of here. He was terrified. And then squeezed through. He said he had a foot on the side of him. He says this guy's been giving him a hard time about it.
This is the second time they met up. The first time I think
he said that this guy disguised, it sounds like he disguised his, however they're communicating for the sale, because he's not happy with the first transaction, and this guy says I'm done with it. He disguised his thing to set this up. He's the guy that was supposed to be buying whatever it is he's selling in the thing, and then he surprised him. So let's just go talk to him and get the semantics of where he was when the knife was presented, where it was open and closed, what the context was, how his van was positioned in the parking lot, all that good stuff. And what this guy said upon whatever the case may be. Let's see if we can get some verbiage and context and all that stuff. All right?
Hey Frank, real quick, I'm going to secure this knife while we get everything, finished up, and then I'll get it back.
Thanks. Yeah, I was saying.
So,
this is your guys. I don't know.
Talking to the uniform officer over there, it sounds like everything he's saying pretty much matches up with what you're saying is about, the sales, the deal that was agreed upon. He's saying when he showed up at the lagoon that you backed out on the deal. So it's a discrepancy. Obviously, we weren't there to see. He's saying he doesn't want to sign complaints. You said you're willing to pay him the $50 and call it a day. So if that's still good, if you want, you grab your phone. You only grab your phone.
Yeah, can I have my jewel as well?
You don't mind?
On the self-defense substance, Frank displayed the knife from inside his car doors closed. Window down, to a man he says was blocking him and would not let him leave. He did not exit the vehicle. He showed it and drove away. Illinois compiled statutes. Chapter 720. Section 5/7-1, a person may use or threaten force when they reasonably believe it is necessary to prevent imminent bodily harm. The standard is Frank's reasonable belief at that moment, not hindsight. The competing charge is aggravated assault under Chapter 720. Section 5/12 TWA placing, another in reasonable apprehension of harm with a deadly weapon. Both statutes can point at the exact same act. That is the tension this case turns on. The timeline matters. The buyer called 911 at 7:51. Frank called 911 at 7:52 1 minute later and then drove directly to the police lights. Someone who initiated an attack does not do that. The victim declined to sign a complaint. He wanted $50 and to walk away. In Illinois, misdemeanor assault prosecutions typically require victim cooperation. Without a signed complaint, the knife charge has almost no forward momentum. Grades. The plainclothes detective B+. Sharp instincts. Disciplined fact-gathering before recommending charges. Patient with a language barrier. The failure to arrange a qualified interpreter is the only real mark against him, and that may be a systemic gap, not a personal one. The arresting officer B. Lawful verbal force warnings. Effective control. No excessive force deployed. No visible Miranda advisement on scene is the gap. Frank B-. The self-defense claim has genuine merit on these facts. The retail theft suspects C and C+. Both complied eventually. The victim in the knife case A-. Called police immediately. Gave a consistent account. Chose proportionate resolution over a criminal complaint. That is exactly right. 3 lessons from this footage. Miranda is not a formality in the advisement. Clock starts at formal arrest. On scene, every statement before that point is vulnerable to suppression, and a defense attorney will find it. Language access is a legal obligation. A workaround that creates a suppression issue at trial costs the prosecution far more than a 10-minute qualified interpreter call would have cost at the scene. Agencies need on-call services, not improvised substitutes. The knife case shows how thin the line is between self-defense and aggravated assault under Illinois law. Who moved first, where each person stood, and whether the blade was open. Those specific details determine the charge, not the general facts. Case status unknown at time of analysis. Case number 1499 for the retail theft. Case number 4598 for the knife incident. If you know how this resolved, leave it in the comments. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover. Thank you for watching. And check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.